France is taking bold steps to redefine the operational future of its Mirage 2000D RMV fighter jets, exploring a dedicated counter-drone mission role after critical lessons learned during combat deployments in the Red Sea. In a time when unmanned aerial systems have transformed the modern battlefield, the French Air and Space Force is seeking innovative ways to repurpose and modernize existing platforms to meet new asymmetric threats head-on. The Mirage 2000D RMV, long respected as a reliable precision strike aircraft, may soon find itself at the forefront of France's anti-drone defense strategy. During recent operations in the Red Sea region, where France joined international efforts to protect maritime routes and counter aerial attacks by hostile groups, the Mirage 2000D RMV proved both resilient and adaptable. Pilots and mission planners noted that the aircraft's modernized radar, avionics, and targeting systems enabled it to track small, fast, and low-flying aerial targets, such as drones, with a surprising degree of accuracy. These experiences highlighted a potential new use for the aircraft, providing aerial protection against drone swarms and improvised aerial threats that are increasingly used in maritime and desert environments. The Red Sea operations served as a real-world test of modern air defense challenges. Drones have become a constant nuisance in conflict zones, used for reconnaissance, harassment, and even precision strikes. The ability to counter such threats in real time has become an operational necessity, especially for naval task forces and forward-deployed bases. French defense officials realized that adapting the Mirage 2000D RMV's capabilities could fill a critical gap, providing rapid interception capability over vast operational areas where ground-based counter-drone systems may not be immediately available. The Mirage 2000D RMV program, short for Renovation MiVi or Midlife Upgrade, has already given the aircraft a significant technological overhaul. Equipped with the Thales RDY-3 radar, modernized navigation systems, updated mission computers, and compatibility with a wider range of guided munitions, the RMV variant is far more capable than its predecessors. It can deploy advanced precision weapons such as the AASM Hammer, as well as Mica air-to-air missiles, which could potentially be employed against drones in a defensive capacity. Furthermore, the addition of digital data links and enhanced electronic warfare suites allows the aircraft to share threat data and respond dynamically in complex air defense networks. French defense sources suggest that engineers and pilots are now working together to test how the Mirage 2000D RMV can detect, track, and neutralize drones of various sizes, ranging from small quadcopters to larger unmanned aerial vehicles used for surveillance or attack. The evaluation reportedly involves both kinetic and non-kinetic approaches. Kinetic options may include adapting short-range missiles or guns for precision engagement, while non-kinetic options could involve jamming systems or directed energy weapons designed to disable drones without direct impact. This initiative reflects a wider trend across NATO and allied nations, as air forces scramble to retool conventional aircraft for drone defense missions. Drones have emerged as a defining feature of modern warfare, seen across Ukraine, Syria, Libya, and the Red Sea, where they've been used by both state and non-state actors to target ships, supply lines, and even civilian infrastructure. The French Air Force recognizes that legacy fighters like the Mirage 2000D RMV, fast, versatile, and combat-proven, offer a cost-effective and immediate solution to the drone threat, especially while waiting for next-generation systems to mature. Analysts argue that this effort also aligns with France's broader strategic goal of maintaining independent and flexible air power. While the Rafale F-5 and the Franco-German-Spanish Future Combat Air System, FCAS, are expected to define the next era of French aviation, their full introduction is still years away. In the meantime, upgrading and diversifying the Mirage 2000D RMV's mission profile ensures France retains a potent and responsive force capable of addressing both traditional and unconventional aerial threats. Defense experts have also noted that the Mirage's potential new role could strengthen France's international contributions to joint defense missions. As drone attacks increasingly target global shipping routes and military convoys, having air-based counter-drone capabilities would allow France to play a pivotal role in multinational security operations. It would also demonstrate the country's commitment to evolving its defense doctrine in the face of rapidly changing technological warfare. Although the French Ministry of Armed Forces has not yet disclosed the full details or testing timelines, industry observers anticipate that flight evaluations and sensor trials could begin within the next year. If successful, The Mirage 2000D RMV could become Europe's first legacy strike aircraft to be fully integrated into a counter-drone role, marking a historic shift in how traditional fighter jets are employed. By giving new life to one of its most battle-tested platforms, France is showcasing its ability to adapt and innovate. The Mirage 2000D RMV, once designed for deep strike bombing runs, may soon evolve into a guardian of the skies, an agile hunter designed not for dogfights with rival jets, but for the fast, elusive, and increasingly dangerous drones that now define 21st century air warfare.